Now we've got a lawsuit against a new Florida law that allows pregnant women to use disabled parking. The law is expanding. Several disabled rights advocates filed a new complaint this week, and Fox 13's Aaron Mesmer has been looking into this for us tonight. Joins us live in Tampa. Hi there, Aaron. First of all, tell us about the law and why groups are against it.
Yeah, that state law, Mark, was passed back in 2025. It allows expectant mothers to get a temporary parking permit for disabled parking, which would allow them to park in spaces just like these.
My fourth baby was due in September, and I was so hot in the Florida summer, and my mobility really was restricted.
Representative Fiona McFarland is describing something a lot of expecting moms in Florida can relate to, and it's why she proposed a law that passed last year, allowing pregnant women to get a temporary disabled parking permit.
I just wanted to help out moms.
But a lawsuit filed this week argues the law violates the Americans with Disabilities Act. The United Spinal Association is among the plaintiffs in the case.
We already know that there aren't enough ADA parking spaces. We need to increase that number, but allowing folks who are not covered by the ADA to park in ADA parking spaces is just exacerbating the existing problems.
The plaintiffs argue the state has already handed out thousands of temporary disabled parking placards to pregnant women who do not otherwise have a disability. We're told these are spots that under federal law are reserved only for people with disabilities. Advocates say as a result, a lot of disabled Floridians are now having trouble finding parking.
Everybody should have the parking that they need, but we already have like a shortage for disabled people. Those are federally protected. I think it's great to require pregnancy parking, but it has to be separate. It can't be the same spots.
The lawsuit asks a judge to stop the law and invalidate all of the pregnant parking permits that have already been issued.
Typically, what they're going to need is just to be close to the entrance. And so they don't need all those dimensions and all that, the access aisle and all the things that go into a disability space.
Last fall, Representative McFarland responded to questions about potential legal challenges to the law.
I don't want to take away from handicapped people who truly have a true physical limit in their mobility. I just wanted to be able to park in a convenient location when I was really uncomfortable at late stages of my pregnancy, and I wanted that for other women too.
Representative McFarland didn't respond to our request for comment today. Now, federal law requires businesses to reserve 2 to 4% of their parking spots for disabled parking. We're told nationally 10% of drivers have those disabled permits, and that number is as high as 20% here in Florida. And Mark, that's the reason why advocates say there just already isn't enough parking for the people who really need it the most.
Sure. All right, Aaron Mesmer watching it closely for us. Aaron, thanks.